Now it's time for the 11th hour review, with bonus videos and practice questions that'll maximize your last few precious study sessions. If you haven't activated it yet, go to your accounts in the upper right to do so. If you have, you can switch to it in the drop-down menu. This mini course mirrors your full course to improve your efficiency. When you launch the study planner, you'll notice there are about 14 hours of crucial exam information covered through video lectures and practice exams. Your syllabus will contain a welcome video and lectures on hot topics. Under practice exams, you can simulate your full exam day experience in the Prometric testing environment, with new questions and essay prompts you won't find anywhere else.